How to fix Outlook freezing and not responding on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the app running smoothly again. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Outlook app icon and tap App Info. After that, tap Force Stop and confirm to completely shut down the app and clear any frozen processes running in the background. From there, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be causing the app to freeze at this point. Reopen Outlook and check if it's responding normally. Sometimes a simple force stop and cache clear is all it takes. In the next step, if it's still freezing, go back to App Info and tap on Battery and set it to unrestricted so Outlook isn't being throttled while running. Following this, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions and make sure all the necessary permissions are enabled for the app to function properly. Once done, open the Play Store and search for Outlook. Tap Update if one is available, as outdated versions are a common cause of freezing and crashing. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to give your device a fresh start and reopen Outlook to see if the issue is fully resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Outlook freezing on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.